guys, I am Rana. I got this from Target. That's why I'm gonna open this right now. Brother name is Sabji. He's gonna help me. Yeah. Fix this. First, we need this because it is right there. Okay. Next, put a bowl, like any color you want. Yeah. Here, put blue. Yeah. And green. These are the another cup. These are the different cups, like juices. Okay. Next, pour it into here. We need to take this up. Third, what should we need? A Play-Doh. This. Where should this go? Sorry guys, I need to fix this. So we got the Play-Doh colors. Now, pink, blue, white, yellow, orange, green. Now we get a piece of a color you want. Now put it in the white. Get some more until it fills up. Then we will squish this like that. Then it will go down into the cup. That's it. Okay. I think a little bit more. Okay. Now time to squish it in. See? Like in the line. Okay. Okay, that is it, I think so. Wow. That is funny.